Number 4. Well, I see a bunch of stuff that needs to be combined. And the one thing I'd notice is I have a subtract this bit right here, which technically means I'm distributing a -1 through. So we're going to have a loss of 4n, take away 2n, subtract an n, because -1 times n is -n. -1 times that +4 will change him to a +4 equals n minus 4. So let's put these together. Lose 4n, lose 2n, you've lost 6. Lose one more, you've lost 7n, plus the number 4 equals n minus 4. I'm now going to move this n over. Let's move the 7n over. That way we create a positive 8n over here instead of a negative 8n on the left. We bring down our 4 here and bring down our 4 here. So this went away. We were left 0 plus 4 is 4. N plus 7n is 8n, and bring down my -4. I now move my number over to be with my other number. And we can see this is going to come out nice and pretty. 8 equals 8n, so we divide by 8. N's value is 1. So we plug that in and make it true. I look at this, I'm like, hey, distribute through. So 2 times 3n, 6n. 2 times the 1, subtract 2, equals -2 plus 6n. Get all my variables. I'm going to subtract the 6n to move it over. And I notice something's going on here. Goes away here and goes away here. I'm left with -2 equals -2. How often does -2 equal -2? Always! So this means there's an infinite number of solutions. Everybody's going to work. Okay? Infinite number of solutions. No matter what we plug in there, it's going to work, because really this side and this side are the same thing. They're both 6n minus 2. That's what their values are. So no matter what you plug into the left, it's going to give you the same answer on the right. So if n is 3, it works. If n is 1,000,000, it works. If it's 1.1, it works. So there's an infinite number of solutions there. Number 6. As soon as I see this, I'm like, oh, I'm going to have to get rid of this dividing by 2. But I'm not going to multiply by 2 yet. I want to move this number over to that side first. So I'm going to subtract 4 to start the problem. And that tells me the c minus 1 over 2 has to come out to be 5. And I can see that because 5 plus 4 is 9. So I can see that the c minus 1 over 2 is going to come out to be 5. Now, how do I get rid of dividing? We multiply. They cross out. C minus 1 equals 10. We now add our 1, and we get our final answer. C is 11.